My beloved child, a divine breakthrough is indeed drawing near, one that will illuminate the path before you in ways you have long hoped for. This is a pivotal moment, a sacred convergence of your unwavering dedication and the orchestrations of the divine. Every ounce of effort you have poured into your personal growth, each moment of inner work and reflection, and every step you have taken towards becoming the person I have called you to be. It has all been gathering momentum, building towards this transformative shift. You are no longer operating at the same frequency as you once were. Through your commitment to self-improvement and aligning with higher realms of grace and abundance, you have elevated your vibration. And the universe is responding to this shift in truly remarkable ways, showering you with blessings from every direction. This promise I have spoken over your life, for I know the plans I have for you. Plans to prosper you and not to harm you. Plans to give you hope in a future stands firm and true. As you continue to elevate in spirit, your surrounding circumstances adjust to match your new frequency. Sometimes these changes may appear challenging, even painful, as old patterns and limiting beliefs are stripped away to make way for the new. But rest assured, my child, that I am using every trial and tribulation to refine and prepare you for the magnificent life I have designed for you. With each internal elevation, each quantum leap in your consciousness, you draw ever closer to the fulfillment of your highest purpose. These changes are aligning you with the very flow of my spirit, bringing about a holy symphony of miracles into being, some of which may remain hidden for now, but are unfolding in divine timing. Trust in the sacred magic I am weaving on your behalf. For there is a profound energy moving within the unseen realms, orchestrating outcomes that you have yet to even imagine. Your dedication, your discipline, and your relentless pursuit of goodness are the very seeds from which these miracles will bloom. Each positive thought you have cultivated, each compassionate act you have undertaken, and every moment of unwavering faith has paved the way for the blessings that are now rushing towards you as you continue to put goodness, love, and light into the world. That goodness multiplies and returns to you as certain as the tides that follow the moon. The life you create is woven from the very fabric of your thoughts, your words, and your actions. The world you live in, and that emerges from the decisions you make every single day. So as long as you keep believing in me, surround yourself with ideas of faith, hope, and unwavering love, even during your darkest hours. Look back and see how I have carried you through the storms. Trust that I am carrying you even now. Every obstacle you face is within my sight, and your breakthrough is coming. Wait patiently, knowing that I am working tirelessly for your highest good. My child, I have never left your side in every challenge or hardship you have faced. I have been there, supporting you with a strength that transcends your own. I want you to know, my love, that you are worthy, beautiful, and that your life has a deep purpose. Every breath you take and every step you take is infused with a wisdom that transcends time, a wisdom born of spirit and eternal truth. You are stronger than you realize, because my strength flows through you, enabling you to overcome every obstacle and preparing you for the incredible journey that lies ahead. You see, my child, that your true purpose is to raise your frequency higher every day, bringing your soul closer and closer to the radiant light of heaven. Everything in your life, everything you attract, and everything you become is impacted by the vibration of love, gratitude, and unwavering faith. Life is difficult, but I encourage you to face it with unwavering bravery. Life is a song, and I urge you to sing it with unending joy. Life is a dream, and I invite you to fully realize it, knowing that I have given you all you need to demonstrate the vision I have for you as you. Though change can frequently feel intimidating, I encourage you to venture into the unknown areas that lie ahead of you, and to rely heavily on your own intuition. The inner voice that I have placed within you this season is stretching you to become the most genuine and true version of who you have always wanted to be. know that I have been preparing you for this exact moment. You have matured, changed, and persevered in the face of hardship. Now, my child, new horizons of unmatched splendor await you. Don't let fear or doubt stop you from this journey. Have faith that I am guiding you toward a bright future filled with the promise of endless blessings. Every act of trust brings you one step closer to your divine destiny. The challenges you are currently facing are only a small part of the bigger, grander story I am writing for you. I am here to guide, protect, and provide for you in ways that will astound you. Hold fast to this truth with an unwavering sense of hope, because I am bringing about a change in your life that will exalt my name in ways you have not yet come to understand. My dear, embrace this trip and allow your faith to grow to new heights. Watch this video without missing a beat, because I have poured out my heart in these words, and I encourage you to receive them with an open and expectant spirit. Keep in mind that I have not seen, heard, or allowed anything to enter your heart. Your breakthrough is here, sweet child. Have you ever wondered why you haven't been able to manifest? It's that simple. If you're a spiritual person seeking to change your life and that of your closed circle, you need something different, Southwest. Take heed of this message. After hearing this 1-minute prayer, you will begin to attract riches and abundance in less than 7 days, and benefits will pour into your life. This biblical 1-minute prayer brings wealth and abundance into your life. Would you like it? To learn the financial secrets of using heavenly prayer to draw money and prosperity into your life, click the link below. Listen to this gentle reminder, loving child. Give up everything that drains your spirit and causes turmoil rather than tranquility. This waiting period isn't a punishment or a delay for its own sake. Rather, it is a call from God to live a life that nurtures your spirit and frees you from the people, places, and thoughts that impede your well-being, because I know the plans I have for you. The Lord promises to prosper you and not harm you, to give you hope for the future, and to guide you to a place of true rest where your soul can flourish in His care. God is not indifferent to your hopes, nor is He slow to fulfill His promises. He is preparing a blessing that is uniquely for you, a divine plan that will unfold in its perfect time. Remember what He promises in Habakkuk 2:3, for the vision awaits its appointed time, though it lingers. Wait for it will certainly come and will not delay, even if it seems slow in coming. Trust that God's timing is flawless. It will happen just as He intends in the very season meant for it. So often we grow impatient, wanting the fulfillment of our dreams right away. But the Lord knows that the journey is just as important as the destination He is using this time to refine your character, to strengthen your faith, and to mold you into the person He has created you to be. Though the wait may feel arduous, cling to the truth that God's plans are perfect and He is working all things together for your good. So today, dear heart, you have a choice. You can hold tightly to the questions of when and how, letting worry consume you, where you can release your burdens into God's hands and embracing His timing. Choose peace over anxiety, trust over turmoil. Know that everything is coming together just as He has promised, and He will bring it to completion in due season. When you surrender your timeline to the Lord, you open yourself up to the fullness of His blessings. Rather than striving and struggling, you can rest in the knowledge that He is in control and His timing is impeccable. Now is the time to reignite the dreams you've set aside. Dare to reach higher, to aim for the greatest potential that God has placed within you. Enter this powerful season of manifestation with faith, because the seeds you plant now will bear fruit beyond your wildest expectations. Do not be afraid to follow the whispers of truth that God is speaking to your heart. This is your time to rise and live with the assurance that He is guiding every step. Perhaps you have been holding back because you are afraid to step out in faith, because you are afraid that your dreams are too big or that you are not capable enough. But the Lord is calling you to cast off those limiting beliefs and embrace the limitless possibilities He has in store. Have faith that as you align your heart with His, He will empower you to achieve more than you could ever ask or imagine. If you believe and trust in God's perfect plan, type 1111 to confirm your faith in the person arranging everything for your good, beloved child. Keep in mind that you are always on schedule, and do not allow the world to deceive you into thinking you should have everything worked out by a specific age or time frame. This is a false narrative. Trust in His timing, beloved. Let go of fear, lean into faith, and get ready for the blessings that are coming your way. A mirage that distracts from the divine timing set specifically for you are on a journey, unlike any other, walking a path carved out by God's own hands. When you see others receiving blessings you've prayed long and hard for, don't mistake it as being behind their season of harvest. Does not diminish the beauty of the season God has prepared just for you, the time, the place, the blessing. It's all divinely appointed. You are right on time. And trust, this, the gift He's preparing for you, is worth every moment of waiting. Your faithfulness has not gone unnoticed. The heavens have seen how you chose patience and trust, over taking matters into your own hands, even when those around you urged otherwise. Though it has been difficult, your obedience is the very key. Unlocking the extraordinary plans God has in store, He has something absolutely unique, far greater than you could imagine, prepared, especially for you, for the vision is yet for an appointed time, though wait for it will surely come in this season of waiting. Know that God is meticulously orchestrating every detail to bring you into the fullness of His purposes. While it may feel like a time of stagnation or delay, He is actually aligning the perfect people, resources, and circumstances to position you for the breakthrough you've been longing for. Continue to press on. Beloved, keep the faith, for the sweetness of your latter days will surpass anything you've known. Release the need for clarification. Let God be God in His divine wisdom, and He will disclose the route in His perfect time, leading you with clarity and purpose. He sees every step that has been taken before you to clear the way. Shut your eyes and have faith that He sees beyond what is visible to you. He is creating streams in the desert and bringing abundance and life to unexpected places. Even when the journey feels arduous and the obstacles seem insurmountable, take heart, knowing that God is weaving together every thread of your story to create a tapestry of beauty and purpose. Though you may not understand the significance of each twist and turn, believe that He is leading you down the path that will ultimately fulfill the desires of your heart in this very storm you're facing. His grace surrounds you. His strength is sustaining you. Even if it feels as though the dawn is delayed, know that His light is on its way each moment of your journey. This is a moment of divine alignment. Every setback, every detour has been woven together to bring you into perfect alignment with His plans for your life. Though it may seem chaotic and confusing in the present, trust that God is using this time to refine you, to strip away the unnecessary, and to prepare you for the greater things He has in store. Allow Him to work in the depths of your heart, for it is in these seasons of adversity that your faith is strengthened, your character is forged, and your dependence on Him is solidified. Hold on to hope, child of God. Open your heart to receive the blessings coming your way. You are perfectly positioned for a miracle. The time has come for you to fully embrace your destiny. The breakthrough you've been praying for is just around the corner, and the rewards of your perseverance will be sweeter than you could ever imagine. You're on the verge of something transformative. Be ready, for the season you've been waiting for is closer than you think. Let your spirit be ready, as God's promises are about to unfold before you, even though the journey has been difficult and the wait has been long. Type 222 and affirm your faith in the Lord. We appreciate your support of our channel by viewing. Click subscribe to receive updates on new videos first.